Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What is your name?
My name is Ramyati.
Rumiati.
Yes.
Rumiati, how old are you?
33 years old.
You are single or married?
I'm single.
Single, yeah. So, you have experience before
Yes, I have experience before.
in Singapore?
In Singapore, 2 years.
And then in Hong Kong?
In Hong Kong, 2 years.
2
but
years.
To employer.
To employer, okay. So, in Singapore, your employer Chinese or Malay?
Chinese.
They speak English?
Yes.
Okay. In Singapore, the house you take care is a big house, yeah?
Big house.
How many
yes.
stories?
3 stories.
3 stories,
Yeah.
yeah. So, what is your job in Singapore?
Housekeeping, wash car, and cooking.
Wash car. How
Yeah.
many car?
4.
4 car.
4
You
car.
wash every day?
Yes.
Okay. After you work in Singapore, you work in Hong Kong, yeah?
Yeah.
In Hong Kong, you take care of children?
Yes.
How old is the child?
12 years old.
12 years old.
Yes.
How do you take care of the children?
Keep prepare the food. Help to wake up. Pick up school.
You bring to
Up,
school.
yeah.
Bring to school. You prepare the school bag uniform?
Yes.
Okay. So, have dog also, yeah? In
Yes.
Hong Kong?
Yes.
How many dog?
2 dogs.
It's a big one or a small one?
Small one and big one.
Oh, okay. So, how do you take care of the dog?
Take walk and feed them.
Okay. So, you also speak Cantonese, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. In Singapore and in Hong Kong, you cook?
Yes, I'm cook.
You cook, huh?
Yeah.
What kind of food that you usually cook?
Fish, chicken, fried chicken, steamed fish, and sweet and sour.
You cook soup?
Yes.
Like chicken soup, pork soup, like that?
Yeah.
Okay. So, for example, if in Hong Kong we have employer, the employer have children to take care. Can you take care of children in Hong Kong?
Yes, I can
Do
take
you
care.
do you love children?
Yes, I love children.
Okay. So, if in Hong Kong employer are busy, they cannot give you holiday first, but they will give you holiday later. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay. So, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to take money.
Earn
and-
more money.
Yes, I need more money
Uh-huh.
for my family and myself.
Okay. Thank you very much. See you in Hong Kong. Bye bye.
Bye.